Hello, my lovely ladies and handsome gents. I hope you're having a great day today. I am Bold Reviews Lady, and I'm so pleased that you came to see me. Oh yeah. This is another Avon video. This is a little bit of a smaller haul than I have had recently. It's the things that I got. I actually really have a lot to say about it. Okay, so here we go. First off, one of the things I enjoy about Avon is that they, a lot of times, they'll suddenly come up with something that you want, something that you wanted to repurchase, and it will be like they'll have a deal where like if you buy this, then you get these other things for like $2 more or whatever. So this cream I was already going to repurchase. I have actually really been enjoying it. It is one of the most affordable Avon creams that they have, and I found it to be pretty good. So normally the price that I normally would pay for this, they had a deal where they also threw in a Skin So Soft Original Replenishing Hand Cream, and I've never had the Skin So Soft hand cream, so I'm really excited to try it. I'm only just really learning what exactly that Skin So Soft fragrance, is, and I love it. It's so fresh and nice. I really like it. So I was very pleased to get this. Skin So Soft Original Replenishing Hand Cream. And I knew I would like it because I already have the third thing that they gave me, the third item, the Skin So Soft Original Shower Gel. So this is the same fragrance as the hand cream. So I've been using, this is my second one. I've been using this shower gel and I really enjoy it because it just reminds me of perfume shower gel. Not necessarily, you know, fruity shower gel or minty shower gel. It just is, it's like a perfumed shower gel, but not of a specific perfume that you can say, oh yeah, that's Chanel No. 5 shower gel, or oh yeah, that's whatever shower gel. It's just a beautiful perfumed shower gel. Now I'm going to move on to these are a big deal to me. It is the two fragrances I got. This one I wasn't sure if I had as a little girl or not, or a young teenager, but I thought that I did. It is the Avon staple of staples, one of the oldest ones. You probably had this as a kid, as a girl. Avon Sweet Honesty. This, you know, it's super, super, super classic. And I didn't remember the smell specifically. It's just so, I don't specifically remember this, but this, it's like the girl in the family, the young girl, she's like all excited about her future, and she's like as involved in school as she can be, and she's just very, very her outlook is very fresh and very excited about life. And I think that's what this reminds me of. They have what do they, I think they have, yeah, an innocent flirty blend of lily of the valley, soft rose, and fresh cedar wood. So I don't smell any of those things particularly. I just smell this beautiful, very feminine, it's youthful, but anybody can wear this. I really feel like this is a masterpiece. So this is the feeling of it is of a young woman excited about, a young girl or young woman excited about her upcoming life. And I do think it's wonderful. I am gonna wear it. I don't even remember though. It doesn't smell familiar enough to me to say, oh yeah, I remember that from when I was young. So I thought I had this one, but I didn't. I think I had some others. So, but I'm so glad I have it now. This is the new one, by the way. This is not a vintage bottle. There's tons of vintage bottles out there, but I wanted the new versions of these fragrances, not necessarily vintage, even though I do like vintage. Sometimes it's necessary, but I want to be able to wear the version of the fragrance that they're producing now if I can get it, you know. So anyways, Sweet Honesty. Okay, so Sweet Honesty, the vibe that Sweet Honesty reminds me of is the young girl, right? And she's, you know, just moving ahead, doing what she can to move forward. She's excited about her future plans. And she looks up to her older sister, who is Odyssey. Odyssey. Notice how it's a lavender. This bottle is like a baby pink. This is lavender, like a lavendery type of color. It says, always beautiful. Take a journey of the senses with fresh tuberose, opulent ylang ylang, and warm oak moss. I've never tried this one. This is a new bottle. I'm on this journey to try to get as many Avon fragrances as I can, and especially the classics that they're making again, you know, not necessarily old ones. I want to know what do they smell like now. So this one, Odyssey, it reminds me of a little bit of the vibe of Lauren, original Ralph Lauren. I wore that one in high school. It was like one of my first expensive fragrances that I ever got. I think my mom got it for me for Christmas. It's like really a little purse bottle. It was like, oh, and I loved it so much. This has got that same kind of vibe. It's a little bit like Sweet Honesty, but it's got a little bit more of a mature edge to it. And I would say there's something in it that has a lot of green, yet like a lot of dry green, kind of similar to how Chanel No. 19 does. But this then has this other gorgeous sweet floral something that transcends above that like dried leaf type of Chanel No. 19 smell. It's more feminine and more sweet than Chanel No. 19, but it's got a little bit of that, something similar to that in it. But I absolutely love this. I love this more than I love the Sweet Honesty. And so this one though, she's Sweet Honesty's older sister, and she is already out there doing things, you know. She's like she's living her dreams. She's trying to she is living her best life. And she is who Sweet Honesty girl looks up to. This one. This is the exciting older sister. But this is, I think, an any age fragrance too. It's just a little more sophisticated, a little more grown up. So I am thrilled with both of these, Odyssey, and also Sweet Honesty. And that's my little Avon haul. But I mean, those fragrances really hit me because I've been thinking about those for a while, especially Sweet Honesty. And so write down below if you like any Avon fragrances, or, you know, if you're curious about Avon fragrances, if you don't like Avon fragrances, if you can't stand Avon, anything, just write it down below. I do appreciate it. And I do have an Avon store. So if you're curious about that, I have the information listed below. However, I am not at all interested in lying about the way I feel about fragrances so that you buy Avon. I don't care. I really don't care. I love the idea that if I could bring you to Avon and you can see if you like it, because it's all cruelty free. It's all 100% cruelty free. I don't have to worry about that aspect. And they offer some vegan choices, but they discontinued my vegan cream I liked. So I don't know where they're going with that. At least I can shop and know they're cruelty free. And I like their products. They make it fun because they give you like special deals, especially on Fridays. You got to check their North American Facebook page, the North American Avon North America Facebook page it's called. And there a lot of times on Fridays they will surprise you with some deal. Oh, buy $100 today and get a gift of some sort, whatever. You know, and there are a lot of gifts, and they, like I said, you can get just interesting deals sometimes. So if you're interested, check it out. If you're not, I totally get it, you know. But anyways, that's my little haul, and thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Let's have a quick dance. Bye.